how to apply a coupon code on SHEIN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can apply a coupon code on SHEIN. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your SHEIN app or website. Make sure you're logged in. Then let's search for something that we can add to cart. So let's say that I want this. I'll basically add it to my cart. So I'll add this to my cart and let's head over to the cart now. After I'm on my cart, let me delete the item here. And after I'm on my cart, I'll then check out with a coupon. You'll see the option there. Tap on that. And now I'll need to choose a payment method and a shipping address. So if I head over here, since I've already added this to cart, I'll just expand this now. And here you'll see the coupon. So the coupon has already been added directly. If the coupon is not added directly, what you can do is you can simply type the coupon code in right here. You'll find an option and it will be applied like it's been right now. And yeah, you'll basically have added your coupon code on your SHEIN. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.